Hey guys, what's going on? It's Billy here from the best place to buy gold online. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So just another gold update for you. Most recently, Dalio, who runs the largest hedge fund in the world, Bridgewater Associates, is now calling for investors to have at least 5 to 10% of their portfolio in gold. He believes that the next major move in monetary policy will be helicopter money, or simply giving cash, again not money, to consumers so they can buy more stuff. The value of total global assets under management stands at $80 trillion. If 5% of that goes into gold, you're looking at $4 trillion. Over half the value of the gold that's been mined in human history. If 10% goes into gold, you're looking at $8 trillion, which is not only greater than the value of all gold ever mined, it's more than 20 times the value of all gold companies in the world. If that kind of money flows toward precious metals, they will go on a bull run that no one alive has ever seen. That much capital moving into such a small sector would simply send gold and silver prices through the roof. And as we've been saying for some time now, it will send junior gold mining stocks even higher. The setup is playing out just as expected. You know, the Fed is frozen. The US is in the best horse in the glue factory, as some talking heads said on Bloomberg Radio this morning on my way in. You know, I see it getting melted down this summer. Equities may stage another few months of gains, propelled higher by the most manipulated monetary policy in history. But when the outflow starts, hold on mate, 2 seconds. It's going to be a whole lot of fun for those holding the right precious metal asset, and that is gold and silver. And just here's a quick look of gold prices from January to May, and you know we're up almost 20% this year, probably a little bit higher now, as we are now currently approaching the 10th of May as a recording of this video. And you know, April to the 1st of May. It's up just over 3% for the month, currently standing at 28.49 pounds per gram. Now, obviously, I'm focused on price a lot of times because it's just a measure of a way to judge where the price is going. But really, it's not about the price; it's about the value that it holds and your purchasing power versus you know, the current state and exchange rates of fiat currencies. You know, at the end of the day, if we do go into a hyperinflation or even high inflation, gold will give you significant more purchasing power to buy goods and services that you need over fiat currency. So why gold and silver? Well, again, you know, you need to get gold that you can hold, physical gold and physical silver. You know, the banks are out of control. Spending has increased in the US. That's just the US to over $16 trillion. Actually, that's outdated. Actually, when I wrote this, it's more like nearly approaching $20 trillion as of the time of recording this. And the US is paying, you know, $73.9 million to China every day just to cover the interest on that debt owed. It's probably a lot higher than that because this is calculated on the 16 trillion debt. Yeah, get off you little monkey. Since 2008, there's been, you know, a surplus in new money being printed to stimulate the economy in excess of $85 billion per month. And again, the society is starting to buy metals to hedge against the coming market collapse, causing metal prices to soar to over 250% since 2008. And if you compare gold prices in some other currencies, it's a lot more than that. Yeah, so why legacy gold? Well, again, at the end of the day, interest rates, negative interest rates, they simply just don't interest me. And we are about 84% cheaper than the average online premium over spot. And that is in the UK. I don't know about Europe's prices, but definitely in the UK. And you can roughly save yourself around £14 on just 1 gram purchase, and that is currently the best value for your fiat currency on the market. And at the end of the day, the economic future for you and your loved ones, you know, it lies in gold. gold is the answer. We are going onto a new monetary policy and a new monetary system very, very soon, and gold is definitely the answer. Gold will play a huge part in the new monetary system that we're currently entering. So there you have it, guys. Just a few more reasons as to why you should own physical gold. If you got value, feel free to like, comment, and share. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't done so already, highly recommend you go ahead and check out my website, goldfinancial.de. There'll be a link in the description below. Go ahead and register yourself for a free account and start accumulating yourself some gold for the future. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.